Hello friends, welcome to my channel Effortless English for Kids and Beginners. So we'll discuss today fruits vocabulary which is used worldwide. Let's see the first one. Gooseberry. It is gooseberry. What is it? It's gooseberry. Miracle fruit. It's a miracle fruit. What is it? It's a miracle fruit. Next we have strawberry. It's a strawberry. What is it? It's a strawberry. Next we have Lychee or Longan. You can use either name. What is it? It is Lychee or Longan. Next we have sweet potato. It's a sweet potato. What is it? It's a sweet potato. Apricot. It's an apricot. What is it? It's an apricot. It has other names also. Peach. Avocado. It's an avocado. What is it? It's an avocado. Next we have Acai Berry. It's an Acai Berry. What is it? It's an Acai Berry. Next we have apple. It's an apple. What is it? It's an apple. Next we have black currants. These are black currants. What are these? These are black currants. Next we have cranberry. It's cranberry. What is it? It's cranberry. Or these are cranberries. Blueberry. What are these? These are blueberries. Next we have raspberry. What is it? It is raspberry. P is silent in this letter. Okay. Next we have blackberry. It is blackberry. What is it? It's blackberry. Next we have mulberry. It is mulberry. What is it? It is mulberry. Next we have red currants. These are red currants. What are these? These are red currants. Next we have banana. It's a banana. What is it? It's a banana. Next we have pomegranate. It's a pomegranate. What is it? It's a pomegranate. Next we have sweet lime. It is sweet lime. What is it? It's sweet lime. Orange. It's an orange. What is it? It's an orange. Next we have pineapple. What is it? It's pineapple. It's a pineapple. Next we have watermelon. It's a watermelon. What is it? It's a watermelon. Next we have muskmelon or cantaloupe. It's a muskmelon, mostly used. What is it? It's a muskmelon. Next we have grapes. These are grapes. What are these? These are grapes. They are of many colors. Mango. It's a mango. What is it? It's a mango. Papaya. It's a papaya. What is it? It's a papaya. Next we have guava. It's a guava. What is it? It's a guava. Next we have pear. It's a pear. What is it? It's a pear. Peach or nectarine. Nectarine is used outside India. So you can say peach also. What is it? It's a peach. Prickly pear. It's a prickly pear. What is it? It's a prickly pear. Means it has thorns. Jujube. What is it? It is jujube. Next we have grapefruit, pomelo or citron or shaddock fruit. These are four names for this fruit. So you can use grapefruit. It is used mostly. What is it? It's grapefruit. It's a grapefruit. Sapodilla or Sapota. What is it? It's a Sapodilla or Sapota. In India, they call it as chiku. Cherry. It is cherry. What is it? It is cherry. Cashew apple. It's a cashew apple. What is it? It's a cashew apple. Custard apple. It's a custard apple. What is it? It's a custard apple. Next we have Quince. It's a quince. What is it? It's a quince. It is also kind of fruit. Passion fruit. It's a passion fruit. What is it? It's a passion fruit. Jackfruit. It's a jackfruit. What is it? It's a jackfruit. Next we have fig. It's a fig. What is it? It's a fig. Palm fruit. It's a palm fruit. What is it? It's a palm fruit. Next we have rose apple or bell fruit. What is it? It's a rose apple. It's a bell fruit. Wood apple or bale. It's a wood apple. What is it? It's a wood apple, or you can say bale. Plum or sloe. What is it? It's a plum. It is a plum. Persimmon. It's a persimmon. What is it? It's a persimmon. Next we have red banana. It's a red banana. What is it? It's a red banana, or these are red bananas. Sour soup. It's a sour soup. What is it? It's a sour soup. Star fruit. It's a star fruit. What is it? It's a star fruit. Next we have sugar cane. It's a sugar cane. What is it? It's a sugar cane. Sugar can be made through this. Kiwi. It's a kiwi. What is it? It's a kiwi. Loquat. It's a loquat. What is it? It's a loquat. Next we have Malta fruit or orange. It's a Malta fruit. What is it? It's a Malta fruit. Dates. These are dates. What are these? These are dates. Olives. These are olives. What are these? These are olives. Olives are healthy for body. Dragon fruit or pitaya. What is it? It's a dragon fruit or pitaya. It's a dragon fruit. Elderberry. It is elderberry. What is it? It is an elderberry or elderberries. Monk fruit. These are monk fruit. What are these? These are monk fruits. Next we have damson. These are damson. What are these? These are damson. Feijoa. It's a feijoa. What is it? It's a feijoa. Next we have honeyberry. These are honeyberries. What are these? These are honeyberries. Next we have Kivano. It's Kivano. What is it? It's a Kivano. Next we have mangosteen. It's a mangosteen. What is it? It's a mangosteen. Some of the fruits are outside India. Pineberry. It's a pineberry. What is it? It's a pineberry. Nance. It's a nance. What is it? It's a nance. Star apple. It's a star apple. What is it? It's a star apple. Next we have salak. It's a salak. What is it? It's a salak. Next we have tamarillo. It's a tamarillo. What is it? It's a tamarillo. Next we have orange. These are oranges. What are these? These are oranges. There are different varieties of oranges: clementines, mandarins, satsumas, and tangerines. You can find on Google. Suriname cherry or pitanga. It is Suriname cherry or pitanga. What is it? It is Suriname cherry, or you can say pitanga. Palmyra fruit. It is Palmyra fruit. What is it? It's a Palmyra fruit. Next we have ugly fruit or tangelo. It is in Jamaica. What is it? It's an ugly fruit, as it is looking ugly. Next we have coconut. It's a coconut. What is it? It's a coconut. It is also healthy for body. Next we have cloudberry. It's a cloudberry. What is it? It's a cloudberry. Next we have zabuticaba. It's a zabuticaba. What is it? It's a zabuticaba. Next we have lemon. It's a lemon. What is it? It's a lemon. Next we have, okay, that's all. If you like my video so far, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Signing off for today. Bye bye.